Topic of my flash talk is tomography of light mesons in the light cone quark model. So first of all, I will discuss about the hadron tomography. The complex internal structure of the hadron can be studied by choosing the different high energy processes, and these are high energy processes are accessible at different energy scales. So these energy scales are convoluted in the cross sections. So one part is perturbative part and the other is the non-perturbative part. One of the possible approaches used to study the non-perturbative aspect is based on the light front Hamiltonian approach. So these are the various distributions which are interconnected. So the light cone quark model, the boosted wave function in the light cone quark model are obtained by using the BHL prescription. This one is for the Pine case, and this one is for the Kaon case. And the spin structure in this model is obtained by boosting the spin structure from the instant form to the light front form using the Malloch-Wigner rotations. So the predictions pattern distribution amplitudes plays an important role of describing the various hard exclusive processes of QCD, and these are our predictions for the Pine PDA and the Kaon PDA. For the Pine PDA case, we have evolved our PDA to the high energy scale and compare with the experimental data and the asymptotic result, and we found a good agreement with the experimental data. These are the predictions for the moments in case of Pine PDAs, and we find a good agreement with the asymptotic results. And this one is for the Kaon case. Again, we find a good agreement with the asymptotic results. Pattern distribution functions provide the probability density of finding the quark holding the longitudinal momentum fraction. So in this case as well, we have found an excellent agreement with the experimental data when we evolve our PDFs from the initial to the final scales. So the TMDs, which are three-dimensional distributions, are the extended version of the collinear PDFs, which provide the information of hadronic constituent within the momentum space. These ones are for the unpolarized case, unpolarized Pine and unpolarized Kaon. And these are the Bohr-Mulder functions, and these are the results for our evolved TMDs from the initial to the final scales. So GPDs are the confined special correlation of the quarks and the gluon distributions. So these are our predictions for the unpolarized case, and these are the for the transversely polarized quark in the unpolarized meson. So conclusion, we have obtained the good agreement with the experimental data for the Pine PDA and for the Pine PDFs. And again, we have observed the special tomography of the Pine and the Kaon case, which provides a three-dimensional distribution, and the momentum tomography of the light mesons, which provide the 3D distribution in the momentum space. Also, we have evolved our unpolarized Pine and Kaon TMDs from the initial to the final scale. We have observed the magnitudes of the distributions decreases and become wider as the scale increases. Thanks.